That's for the video, and here is the text. So this is something that was already there and they just went off. Just that now that they become active, so you can just join and then get your free airtime for your own number. Okay, so with this one doesn't have any restriction. Okay, but mostly they like people who register with their account as a female. Okay, so my ladies right here, register more and then get free airtime from them. Okay, so this is just an app, an online platform that is giving this in collaboration with another platform. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can just register your account and how you can just claim your 3 cedis airtime or more with the other thing I will show you in this video. So if you're new, just subscribe because more videos will be coming right here on this channel. And please just give me a like, okay, and let me know whether you came through TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere that you came from. Let me see you in the comment section, and I will really be glad meeting you right here. So let's start with it and let's go.
So just check in the comment section or the description of this video for the link to just register your account. So just check in the comment section, tap on the link. When you tap on the link to bring you here, you can see OCTech has invited you to Atingi. Just tap on that one and then register your account. And you can see we have special invite to women. Okay, so make sure you are a woman so that you can just help me get some free airtime for my own self. So you can see as you join Atingi, you will get 3 cedi. I will also get 3 cedi. Okay, so ladies, please register more. Okay, and then look down here and tap on get it on Google. Get it on Google Play Store. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, it's sent straight to Play Store. Okay, and then you are just going to download the app. So if you don't have the app, download this right here, install it again. Okay, so let me just uninstall mine and then install it so that you will get the latest update for your own self. Okay, it's just a small app, it is not too large, just small app. And then tap on open. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because more way that I can just make money online, I can just get free airtime and data will become right here on this channel. Okay, so after that you can see we have complete task and airtime, and tap on get started. Okay, tap on get started, tap on it. Now you're going to fill this form. Okay, so we have the country, just tap on country, and any other country you can also join. Okay, so tap on Ghana or your country, tap on the town, enter the town right here, your gender, male or female. I need more females right here so that they can all learn the task. Okay, or learn the skills. Okay, so that they can also learn some skills every single day. Then you enter your email right here for registration, and also you enter your password. After that, just tap on remember me. Okay, and tap on I accept as well. So just turn these two things on right here. Okay, turn these two things right on and then tap on continue right here. Okay, so let me just fill the form and then we will tap on continue to proceed with it. So after that, you will see something like this. Okay, just scroll down and tap on open atingi. Tap on open atingi, just tap on it. When you tap on it, wait for some time, it will load. Okay, and then you tap on register. Okay, tap on register, and then you set the language is the one that you prefer. Okay, and then you enter your email address right here. So let me just enter mine, and you just tap on I agree right here. So let me enter this one and then tap on next. Okay, so next, and then you are going to enter a password, okay, for your account. So I will enter a password and then you will just confirm it again and tap on next again. So a confirmation email has been sent to, okay, the email. Okay, then to continue, please open your inbox and click on the link in the account confirmation. So you just go to your email. So let me just go there and show you how it is done here. And you can see welcome to Atingi. Okay, and you tap on confirm my Atingi account, tap on it. Okay, and click on the phone button to confirm your account, tap on confirm once again. So please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Okay, subscribe for more videos. After here, after you are done, okay, so this is your Atingi profile. Okay, you just enter your first name right here, you enter your last name, you enter your date of birth, and then the country you reside, your gender. Okay, so the gender was female, whether male or female, just enter anyone. Okay, and then your highest level of education. Okay, you enter it right here, whether primary education or whatever, just enter it right there. Or you can just tap on skip for now. Okay, you can just tap on skip for now if in case you don't want to do that immediately. Okay, but later you can just do it. Okay, and you can just tap on skip tour right here. Okay, and after you are done, just go back to where you were. You go to flash out again. Okay, so you just go to flash out again, you scroll down, and then you tap on I completed. Okay, tap on I completed. Okay, so you can see right, available balance is 3 cedi right now, and you can just redeem it instantly. So I'm just going to redeem it for you to just see it right here. So just tap on redeem. Okay, just tap on redeem. This is how you're going to redeem your airtime, and then you will enter your phone number right here. So let me just enter mine, and then you will select the network as well. Okay, so any of the network you select, then you enter the amount. Okay, so with this one it just 3 cedis, so just 3 cedis, and my number, and I'll just tap on redeem. Okay, so you can see sending airtime, and you can see top up in progress. Okay, which is 3 cedis. Okay, and let's wait for some time. It will arrive very soon. It doesn't take too much long. Yes, so you can just do the same thing. Okay, so you can see, yes, it is here. You have received 3 cedis from a number. Okay, and that's how it works. That's how it works. So there is it, just a simple thing. Okay, just a simple thing. So for you to also get your link to share to your friends, when you come to look down here, we have the reward. That's where we are right now, and we have the task. Tap on task and scroll down. Okay, scroll down and tap on I want to receive marketing emails about tasks and then partners. Okay, and turn on this one for now. This will help you know of the service available or the task available, so that you can just complete them and make more money from this website. So as you learn, it's all about learning. Okay, you learn and then you earn money from it as well. So if in case you want to refer someone, just tap on this. Okay, just tap here and then look down, scroll down, and then you can just copy or get invite link. Okay, so you just choose your name that you want people to know that it is you, and then you tap on I agree right here. Tap on I agree, and then you tap on get invite link. Okay, and scroll down and tap on copy right here. So just copy your link, and then you can just share it to your friends. Okay, so that will be your personal link. Anytime you want to share it, just tap here, scroll down, copy your link and share with your friends. Okay, and then you can just send them the tutorials. This is the tutorials. You can send them this video after you send them your link. Okay, so after sending your link, you send them this video so that they will watch the step-by-step guide on how they can do that. Okay, and you can say we have complete your first course. Just tap on airtime. Okay, and at some time you will see the task right here, but look down here, we have completed survey. You can see we have that one. Just tap on it, tap on get started, and then what do you study or do for work? Okay, so you can just tap something like farming. Okay, and your career goal, let's say doctor. Okay, I'm not saying a YouTuber, I should have said that. Okay, so if you had to start a business today, what will you do? Okay, let me say YouTuber right now. So make sure subscribe and like the video. Okay, because more videos will become right here on this channel. So my hobby is reading. Tap on next. Have you ever worked online? If yes, which type of work? Okay, so let me say no. Okay, and what are your side hustles? Okay, so let me say teaching may be my side hustle as well, because I teach right here on YouTube. Okay, so which skill would you like to learn? And I would like to learn technology. Okay, so you can also choose technology or any other one. Okay, depending on your choice. What's your biggest talent? Okay, my biggest talent is what? Guys, let me know in the comment section as well. So with this, I will say teaching. That's my talent, bro. That's what I'm doing right now. What's your experience in the hospitality industry work at? So I would say work in the farm. Okay, let me say that one. And then tap on complete. Okay, then you just go back to the task. So they will verify and then they will start giving you the task to complete every single day. Okay, or most at times, I won't say every single day, but they'll give you the course, you learn, you just perform or go through quizzes. After getting through the quizzes, you get a particular badge approving or showing that yes indeed you have learned the course. Okay, and then you will just get that amount into your account. Okay, but with the referrals it's just very simple. You refer, you earn more. This is flash out and in collaboration with atingi, giving you free airtime for referring your friends or your families, and as you do that they come and learn more courses. Okay, so it's all about learning a course. So you learn a course and then you get paid as well. This is all about flash out. It's not a Ponzi scheme, and recently they gave us update that they are back. So there's it.